Unity is a strength. Salman was very hard-working person. He completed his study and went in search for a job. Every day he had nothing, then a disappointment. At last he fed up of daily searching the job and got the decision that whatever money he has and start a business with them. But he didn't know any work, so he can't start. He think about it, but could not understand anything. He took all his saving and walked towards the city. He had just gone as far that he saw a very upset man. He told Salman his name was Akbar and said, I'm looking for a job. If you have a job, tell me, I'm ready to work. Salman asked Akbar, okay, tell me what you can do. Akbar told him that I had my own hotel. I was working alone. Some people robbed me and now I have nothing. Salman asked him, tell me, what can you do in a hotel? Akbar said, I can make very good food and bread. Salman thought the work is for me to start one or other. So why not? Take advantage of this man. It will be better for him, and I have got the nature of the business. And may God send it to help me. He told the man, let me put you on my business. I will open the hotel, you bake bread and cook there, and whatever the profit, I will give you 10% to you. Akbar agreed, and both opened the hotel together. Akbar baked bread and cooked while Salman served food in front of customer and washed the dishes. The hotel of both of them started running very well and started making good profit. But greed across Akbar's heart that he cooks his food and bread and do all the works, but Salman gives him only 10% of the profit and he keeps the rest of the profit. He said to the Salman, I do all the work myself. If you give me 50% of the profit, I will work. Otherwise, I will not. Salman, you don't do all the work. I do half the work. Akbar, well, if you don't give me 50% of the profit, then I will leave the job. Salman, let's go. I have no need of a greedy person like you. Akbar had gone and he started a hotel near Salman's hotel with the income that he saved with Salman. New hotel started, then people for the new taste went to Akbar's hotel. Now customers waiting for food as long as Akbar would take bread for a customer and give it to him. The other customer starts making noise so that I have been sitting for a long time. When will you give me food? When he goes to second customer to feed the first customer, starts shouting, bring me another bread. Gradually his customer divided and his hotel came near to closing. The same was the case with Salman's hotel. Eventually, they both realized their mistakes. Akbar went and apologized to Salman and said, my brother, forgive me. You gave me a job and I left you. I shouldn't have done that. I am so ashamed. I was tempted to make more money. I'm ready to work at 10% profit. Put me back. Salman also apologized to him for his wrong attitude and agreed to pay half the profit. The hotel opened again, and both of them realized that unity is strength.